Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to the body shop and working on the 60 Corvette. We're doing some more sanding on it, so we got the paint all stripped off, got the primer removed, and now we're hand sanding and DAing the whole car to prep it for whatever repairs need to be done and to do the gel coat. So there's like a whole week and a half of hand sanding, using the DA, hand sanding, and getting all the little nooks and crannies. So there's going to be a lot of that, so stay tuned. Alright, so the paint is completely removed off the 60 Corvette. Anywhere that was painted white and is going to be painted white again had to be completely stripped chemically, even the inside and outside of the glove box. So you can see there's a little bit of Bondo here on the sides, and there's some Bondo in the front here. That's all going to have to be removed before the car is gel coated. Here are the 3 emblem holes for the fuel injection emblem, just another piece of evidence to show that this is a fuel injected car. So both doors are stripped. I removed everything from the insides of them and stripped the jams. We also stripped the gas tank cover just because it was easier to do it that way. The hood, the trunk, the deck lid. And then once the hardtop is taken apart, we will strip it then. And also strip the little spare tire insert. So here I am sanding the car with the DA. I'm using 80 grit sandpaper to rough the car up. That way the gel coat will bite into it. And then from here, if there's any fiberglass repairs that need to be done, those will be done at this time. Don't worry, I'm not going to hurt the car with 80 grit. I'm not digging into the car. Just lightly going over the surface of it just to rough it up, give it a nice even finish for the gel coat to bite into. So the trunk has been scuffed up with 150. I still have to do a lot of hand sanding in here, but I got mostly what I can get with the DA. You can see the whole car is stripped. I just have to get around these little ledges by hand. And I have to do the inside of the deck lid compartment a little bit more. So you can see down here, these panels aren't even. This fender cap was actually overlaid on top of a previous piece, and so was that fender, so it's sticking out a little further than it should. It will probably have to be replaced with new pieces, but this side of the repair is much nicer, so everything's good with the front panel. So the door jambs are done. It's very tedious to get.
That's going to do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. There's going to be a lot more progress on the 60 Corvette coming. So next week we're going to be doing a lot of body work on the car. It needs some attention on the front passenger fender, between the fender cap and the beginning of the cove. And then there's just a couple little cracks here and there, and some other repairs that need to be gone over where there was Bondo. So they're going to be doing that at the body shop, and there's going to be a lot more repairs coming on that. And hopefully either at the end of next week or the following week it'll be going into gel coat primer. So then the car will be body worked, and so it's a long way away from paint, but it's getting closer. So like I said, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Check out the rest of the videos. We're gonna have Corvettes on we're gonna have videos on C1s, C2s, eventually maybe some C3s also, if you guys are interested in that. So there's gonna be a lot of videos coming, a lot of good channel content, so Mustang. Be sure to check that out. So subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, and I have a lot of work to do. So I'll see you guys later.